Unlike the Cold War superpowers, there has always been a concern that the India-Pakistan nuclear confrontation was made worse, significantly worse, by their physical proximity. Both countries sit next to each other. And on top of that, their population centers, especially Pakistani population centers, are really close to India. They're not even on the opposite side of Pakistan. So there was a fear that with ballistic or hypersonic cruise missiles, the missile flight times we are talking about are in the single digit minutes, 7 minutes, 8 minutes, 9 minutes. And there was a worry that in the event of an inadvertent launch or an accidental launch, that the other side, thinking it was a real one, would respond in some sort of horrible fashion. That didn't happen in this accident. And we don't know fully why Pakistan did not respond contemporaneously. Pakistani officials say that it was a conscious decision made in those brief minutes of deliberation to restrain themselves and to see what was happening. If so, that's fabulous and commendable. It is also possible that the missile launch and its crash into Punjab province in Pakistan occurred so quickly that there was no time to deliberate what to do, one way or the other. If that's the case, then such a slow decision-making process may mean that in a future crisis, if there's an accident, everyone will have the time to wait out and see whether the missile was real, was armed with conventional or nuclear warheads before doing something. But the worry is that in a future crisis, with decision-making systems stood up and command and control systems as ready as they can be, that an accident like this could trigger a catastrophe. And that danger is inherent in crises between nuclear armed states. It's a danger that is impossible to escape from. And this crisis reminds us that even dedicated professional militaries make mistakes, and there are limits to how safe these most dangerous weapons can be.